Hey, what's going on, guys? So we hit a banger trade last night on ADA Cardano. It was a 4-hour setup. We're running the bot for copy trading on the 4-hour time frame. So it was a bearish CRT setup right here called by the algo. 45-minute entry, but the order block entry was essentially lower than the open price, so we entered at the opening of candle 3, which is right here. It's the opening candle 3, so 80.84 cents. 0.084 cents. Here's the candle 1, candle 2. Let me just remove this so you can see clear. Candle 1, candle 2, and then candle 3 we entered on the opening price, and it took another candle to play out fully. However, we entered on the open of candle 3. Here's the signal again. So this trade was a 3-to-1 setup, roughly. So take profit the low of candle 1, stop loss the high of candle 2. 2.74R, so about roughly 3R on this trade for the copy traders. And you can see the P&Ls in our Discord and everything, but let's just go to a lower time frame. So we entered on the opening of candle 3, which is also the candle open of the day, the new day, so February 18th. Tuesday was the Tuesday candle open. So we entered right here, daily open, price dropped initially, however retraced back into our entry price, a little bit above our entry price, getting above the daily open. So if you're looking at this from Power 3 perspective, we had an accumulation here, manipulation up above the daily open, and then it shorted down all the way down to the price we are now, 75 cents. So that was the setup. Overall, it was a pretty good trade setup. I mean, you have a head and shoulders formed right here. So we entered on this CRT right here, the 4-hour again. The only thing I would say about this setup is that you had this high right here, so that made it probably low probability, lower probability than it would have if this was the high that it formed. The candle 2 swept this high. That probably would have been higher probability. However, this ended up playing out, and we had a nice 3R gain on the copy account. About 8% on the account total because we're risking about 3.5% on the trade. So about 8%, 9% total gain on portfolio, which is super nice. The bot's been taking a few losses, so this was a super nice trade to get us back to where we were. However, the more losses that the bot takes, the more wins it's going to take just through the data over time, how it's performed throughout the years. All the data running back to 2020 as far as Binance goes for futures for Cardano. The stats are good. Let me show you the Cardano stats. So this runs back to 2020. We have a net gain on the account of 5,000. So risking $100, this would be 5,000. So 550R on your port if you were running this for the last 4 years. However, we're running it now. 55% profitable, 2.2 profit factor. So this is a higher RR bot, lower percent profitability. The higher your RR on any strategy, the lower your percent profitable will be. And yeah, you could just run back through some of the trades real quick. Had a short setup with doing an entry, had a long setup, nice long that played out. Short got stopped right here. Long got stopped right here. Long played out right here. Long stopped. Short. Nice short setup, however, we got wicked out, it looks like, before price ultimately did what the CRT was aiming for. And yeah, so, you know, nice setups on ADA. And this was the most recent one that the copiers had caught on the account, and we had some people netting about 8 to 9% total account growth, which is awesome because now that makes up for, you know, if we took 3 losses in a row. However, data on all the bots are slightly different. Some of the bots are a little bit higher percent profitable, some of them are lower profit factor, some take lower RR, some take higher RR. However, all the bots are profitable over the last 5 years. And you know, if you're betting on trading, if you're trading, you're trading based off of data, right? Like if you're expecting an order block to get respected, then you are trading with the idea that that order block data says that that order block is going to get respected, right? So the beauty about the bot is that you have data to back up your future trades, right? Nothing's guaranteed, obviously. However, if you're trading, you'd want as much data as possible proving that your thesis is right. That over time, if you run your strategy, however you're trading, whatever your strategy might be that you're trading, it's going to be profitable over time. And that's the main goal with trading. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you want to see all the P&Ls and stuff, you can check out our Discord. And I will see you guys next time.